Yeah. What's your name?
Debbie?
Cherry?
Debbie.
Ah. So where do you came from?
Australia?
Australia. You just came here for a vacation?
Mm-hmm.
Ah. This is your first tattoo, right?
Yes.
What's the design? Peace
Family
star?
name.
Family name.
In Baybayin transcription.
Yeah.
And she's underage.
How old are you?
17.
You're just 17.
Yeah.
There's her daddy. Daddy. Black and gray lang.
Solid block.
Solid black.
She's a Filipina but doesn't know how to speak Tagalog.
Yeah, you should know how to speak the Tagalog. Yeah.
Yeah, guys.
But you know just a little bit of Tagalog, right?
Yeah.
No.
Just the
But that's good.
basics.
Yeah. You're still in grade school? No? High
Yeah.
school?
What am I from? What's year 12?
No, it's a different kind of...
Yeah, different. Year 12.
Ah, okay. In Australia, you call this progressive school, no? No? Traditional school?
Just high school.
Just high school?
Yeah.
I think she knew her
Hi.
Hello!
Hi to your, say hi to your friends.
Hi, all my friends.
We're gonna post this
Am I
on
the first
YouTube.
underage?
Yeah, you're the
I'm
first
the first
underage.
underage
Yeah.
client.
We're glad your daddy's here.
Bakit yung saan bang hindi ko pwede?
This is another overage. His last tattoo. Ano yan? Ano yan?
Hindi pwede tattoo. Kailangan mo 18 pataas. 18 pataas.
Ah.
Bakit? Paano mangyari?
Punong-puno ka na.
Yung balat mo? Inaalaw namin na underage basta kasama magulang.
Ganun.
Pag hindi kasama, hindi. Kasi baka kami magalit yung, kunyari kasama, nanay lang, hindi pa rin kami papagay. Kailangan ba? Kasi mamaya yung nanay pumayag. Tapos yung tatay hindi